In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Excel files on Monday.com, whether you're looking to transfer data into your boards for insightful tracking or export it out for further analysis. This guide will show you exactly how to do it with ease. First, let's start with accessing Monday.com. Open your web browser and head over to the Monday.com website. Once there, click on the Login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, and you can conveniently sign in using your Google account if you prefer. Just click on the Google option and choose your account from the list available. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. You can do this by simply selecting it from your dashboard. Now that you're on your board, look to the top right section of the page. You'll see 3 dots located right next to the Invite button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu houses a variety of options that help you interact with your board in different ways. For our purpose, proceed by clicking on More Actions from this list. When you're in the More Actions menu, you'll notice an option labeled Export Board to Excel. Clicking on this will allow you to download an Excel file that reflects the current items on your board. It's a useful feature when you want to use Excel's robust data analysis tools to gain deeper insights or to share information with stakeholders who prefer this format. In case you want to bring data into Monday.com from an Excel file on your computer, the process is just as simple. In the same menu, there's an option labeled Import Items. Click on that. A file picker will open, allowing you to select the Excel file from your computer that you wish to import. This will seamlessly integrate the data from your Excel sheet into your Monday.com board, enabling you to utilize Monday.com's powerful features for project management and collaboration. And that's it. You've now mastered how to import and export Excel files on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can ensure your data is always in the right place, whether you're pulling it into your boards for enhanced project insights or exporting it for analysis and sharing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.